In this short tutorial, you will learn how to enable the speedometer feature in Google Maps. This feature can help you keep track of how fast you are driving. It is useful for staying within speed limits and for safe driving practices. To get started, open up the Google Maps app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Now scroll down until you reach the bottom of this page. Here, look for an option labeled Navigation Settings. Tap on it. Once you're in Navigation Settings, scroll down until you see a section called Driving Options. In this section, you'll find an option called Speedometer. To enable this feature, simply toggle on the switch next to it. Now that it's enabled, whenever you start navigating somewhere using Google Maps, you'll see a speedometer displayed on your screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.